How's it going? Thanks for joining me here at American River Ace Hardware in Folsom, California. I'm Danny, the barbecue manager here. Today we're going to be talking about Heath Riles Rubs, which I'm very excited to have now. I've been trying to get them for a while. A few customers of mine have just been raving about them, particularly his cherry Dr. Pepper rib recipe, which is on his website, and you can find the link below. And try all of his recipes because apparently they're all amazing. So it took me a while to bring him in because he's been out doing his competitions. So of course, to make the cherry Dr. Pepper rib recipe for Heath Riles, we have all of his needed ingredients for it, which would be the hot rub, the cherry rub, the sweet barbecue, butter, bath, and wrap powder. The next one I'm pretty excited to try will be my jalapeno poppers, using, of course, garlic jalapeno rub. Pretty excited for that one because the jalapeno poppers are amazing. Really got to try those out. Super simple, an hour, really quick, and everyone absolutely likes them. Even if you don't like jalapenos, they like them because they're not really spicy. Taking the seeds out really helps. Brisket on pecan is definitely going to be next brisket I make. We have garlic butter, which I've been told is like a secret ingredient for everything. So yeah, garlic butter, that's fish, shrimp, like it goes on everything. It's garlic and butter. Who wouldn't like that? And of course the everyday rub, so you can use it every day. It's okay. Today we are going to be doing the pecan tri-tip, but it sounded good to me. I love pecan on beef, as everyone does. So I'm just going straight pecan on the tri-tip to get a good distinct flavor because I have not tried it yet. It smells very pecan when you open it, so I'm pretty excited to see how it turns out. We're going to be doing super smoke at 225 for about 2 hours, and then I'll be turning up the heat a little bit to finish it off before Mother Nature turns up the heat. It's supposed to be about 108 today, so I'm going to try to beat the heat. And we'll be right back with some meat on the table. Thank you. Our tri-tip has now rested with our pecan rub from Heath Riles. Most of this tri-tip was a special request for one of my employees that deserves it. They like it on the medium well side, so I took it up to 135, and then I seared it on both ends, and it got about 148. A little much for me, but you know, teach their own. So we're gonna cut it up here and check it out. Still gonna try it. I'm going to get that center section here. Still tons of juices. Let's try it out. I think that is officially my new favorite beef rub. That pecan is really pure, really natural. I don't know what the phrasing would be. Doesn't have that manufactured, like an artificial pecan taste. Has that real pecan in there, and I don't think I've ever had it as clean as that. I'm going to be using this a lot. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this brisket. It's going to be killer. Stay tuned. There's absolutely something for everything here, and I'm pretty anxious to try them all. So keep looking out for that, and we'll be having a lot more involvement with these Heath Riles rubs. Pretty excited.